Welcome back students. I am your geography teacher Vandana Joshi and you are watching SST June. Students, in our previous video we have studied about the introduction of Indian drainage system, in which till now we have completed the Himalayan drainage system, including with the evolution of Himalayan drainage system and Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra drainage system. So today we will see the second part of the Indian drainage system, and that is the peninsular drainage system. In this topic today we will see few subtopics, and these are the evolution of peninsular drainage system, river system of the peninsular drainage, smaller rivers flowing towards the west and east, river Rajmis, and the last is extent of usability of river water. So let's start our today's topic, that is the peninsular drainage system. So let's start our today's topic, the peninsular drainage system. Students, the peninsular drainage system is older than the Himalayan one. This is evident from the broad, largely graded, shallow valleys on the maturity of the river. So, what is the evolution of peninsular drainage system? If we discuss about the peninsular drainage system, there are two major geological events have shaped the present drainage system of the peninsular India, and these evidence are the subsidence of the western flank of the peninsula. Subsidence of the western flank of peninsula leading to its submergence below the sea during the early tertiary periods. Generally, it has distributed the symmetrical plane of the river on either side of the original watershed. Number 2. Upheaval of the Himalayas. The upheaval of the Himalayas when the northern flank of the peninsular block was subjected to subsidence and the consequent drop faulting. The Narmada and the Tapi flow in drop faults and fill the original cracks with their detritus materials. Hence, there is a lack of alluvial and deltic deposits in these rivers. And number 3, slight tilting of the peninsular block from northwest to southeast direction, which gave orientation to the entire drainage system towards the Bay of Bengal during the same period. Now let's see how the system of peninsular river works. There are large number of rivers system in the peninsular drainage. So to know more about this, let's see the given map. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river system. It is also called Dakshini Ganga. It rises in Nasik district and falls into the Bay of Bengal. It is 1465 km long with a catchment area spreading over 3.13 lakh square kilometer. 49% of this lays in Maharashtra, 20% in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and the rest in Andhra Pradesh. The Krishna is the second largest east flowing peninsular river, which rises in Mahabaleshwar in Sahyadri. Its total length is 1401 km. Mahanadi rises in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh and discharges its water in Bay of Bengal. Kaveri rises in Brahmagiri Hills in Karnataka. Its length is 800 km and it drains an area of 81,155 square kilometers. The Narmada originates on the western flank of Amarkantak Plateau at the height of 1057 meters and falls into Arabian Sea. Tapi is the other important westward flowing river. It originates from Maltai in Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Luni River is the largest river system of Rajasthan, west of Aravalli. It originates in Pushkar in two branches as Saraswati and Sagarmati, which join each other at Govindgarh. From here, the river comes out at Aravalli and is known as Luni River. Now let's see the rivers flowing towards east and west. First, we will see the east flowing rivers. The rivers flowing eastwards on the peninsular plateau are generally large. These rivers from huge deltas near their mouth. These rivers fell into Bay of Bengal. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are east flowing rivers. So, we can see the east flowing rivers through this given map. There are a large number of rivers flowing towards the east along with their tributaries. There are small rivers which join the Bay of Bengal. Some small are the Subarnarekha, the Baitarni, the Brahmani, the Vamadhara, the Penar, the Palar and the Vagai are important east flowing rivers. Now let's see the west flowing rivers. The rivers flowing westward on the peninsular plateau are gradually small, but river Narmada and Tapi are exceptional to this. And these rivers do not form delta. These rivers fell into Arabian Sea. Sabarmati, Mahi, Kalindi, Periyar are few west flowing rivers. So we can see the west flowing river through this given map. The Setruniji is one such river which rises near Dhalkawa in Amreli district. The Bhadra originates near Aneli village in Rajkot district. The Dadar rises near Ghantar village in Panchmahal district. More rivers are Vaitarna in Trembak Hills, which is in Nasik district, the Kalindi from Belgaum district and falls in Karwar Bay. The source of Betati river lies in Hubli, Dharwad. The Sharavati is another important river in Karnataka flowing towards the west. Now let's move to our next topic, that is river regimes. The pattern of seasonal flow of water in a river is called its regime, or we can say a empire. Okay, the Himalayan rivers are perennial and their regime are dependent on the pattern of water supply. both from snowfall and the rainfall. Okay, but the regime of the peninsular river, it is not based upon the rainfall or snowfall. It is based upon the monsoonal rain. Okay, it is measured either cubic feet per second or cubic meter per second. So we can see the chart through which we will know more about the river regimes. Students, here is a chart in which you can see the comparison between Himalayan and peninsular rivers, and it will help to you know about the river regimes. Now let's move to our last topic, that is usability of river water. The river of India carry huge volume of water amount, but it is unevenly distributed. So it needs to be extended on longer scale, such as few are the construction of dams. Number 2, the construction of canals parallel to the rivers. Number 3, the lift irrigation. Number 4, the interlinking of rivers. Even these methods can be utilized to remove problem of floods and drought. So to remove problems of flood and drought, there are few more schemes, and these are the Periyar diversion scheme, and second we can say Indira Gandhi Canal Project, third the base Satluj Link Canal, and the Ganga Kaveri Link Canal. Students, many times we have seen the polluted rivers. So what we can do to remove the pollution? So there are few schemes which were started by the government, and here is a scheme that is known as Namami Project. So what is this project? We can see through this picture. Namami program is an integrated conservation mission approved as flagship program by the Union government in June 2014, with the twin objectives of effective abatement of pollution, conservation and rejuvenation of the national river Ganga. So students, here the chapter is complete. Hope you understood this. For more updates and videos, keep watching SST June.